Hi, I'm Trevor Norman, Secretary at the Oakbank Bowling Club here. I've been in that role this last year and been a member for 2 years. We decided to take advantage of the opportunity provided by Adelaide Hills Council through one of their community development grants to put in a request for funding to obtain a defibrillator unit. Our clientele is primarily more elderly people, and as such there's always a concern about having health-related incidents either whilst they're playing or even if they're spectating. So we've recently acquired a St John's defibrillator unit, which we've got in our club room, where you can see behind me, and that unit is ready for any incident that may occur with either players or spectators. The application process was really quite straightforward. Having a clear idea about what you want to achieve is obviously a great place to start. There are a significant amount of help is provided on the Adelaide Hills Council's website in terms of guidance of eligibility criteria, things of that nature, and general assistance in completing the form. I didn't find it a challenge at all. It's fairly self-explanatory. And it was really something that I can definitely encourage other clubs to have a go at.